go, Gabby's Choice, Desperado, go, Snake go, Bloomingdale, Dear John, and Maryland Dream is the early trailer by about 9 or 10 lengths of the leader. Gabby's Choice, Desperado, go, Snake go is running in third and racing from the outside. Dear John, running by the rallies Bloomingdale and a long way back to Maryland Dream. Desperado by ahead, go. Snake go from the outside. Dear John is now racing in third, rounding the far turn. Go, Snake go by ahead. Desperado down on the inside. Dear John is still racing in third. Gabby's Choice, Bloomingdale, and Maryland Dream still running at the tail of the field. Go, Snake go by half a length. Desperado down on the inside. Dear John racing in third from the outside, and Maryland Dream down on the inside as they race the last 200. 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Dear John, go, Snake go, and Desperado down on the inside. Dear John by some 2 lengths now. Desperado, go, Snake go, and finally, Dear John, second. Desperado, go, Snake go, took third, and Bloomingdale comes in fourth. Then comes Maryland Dream, Gabby's Choice.